Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another Diecast car review. And in today's video, we will be checking out the 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata, number 6 out of 10 from Hotwheels J Imports, and number 120 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here we have a nice, small little convertible Mazda MX-5 Miata. I believe we've seen this car in black somehow, metallic black, I would say. Then what color have we seen? I've seen it in dark green, but I can't recall from what set it was from. That's not actually like mainline. That's actually Car Culture. Yeah, it is actually Car Culture. That was Japan Historics series. So yeah, we've seen it in green, we've seen it in Car Culture, basically we've seen it in mainline a bunch of times, and here we are back in mainline, now colored in a nice looking yellow right here. Now I love this car is because, well, if you don't know, the headlights were already closed, of course, since it was made. And basically, if you look at the side of the car, you have like a lot of detail, such as like a sponsor here and there. Basically, you have like that design on the side of the car. And another great thing about this car is it actually came with rear lights, which you rarely see on Hot Wheels cars, especially when it comes to headlights and rear lights, with the like extra decals on the side of the car, or actually on the front of the car or anything. They would not add headlights or rear lights when the car has too many stickers on the side of the car, or at least too many on the hood or something like that. That would make the car basically not have any lights, neither the front nor the rear lights. So in this case, we do get rear lights on this car, which it's a rare phenomenon, I would say, for Hot Wheels. And in terms of the like cars, yeah, it's pretty good. Even though it's like an old Miata, but still, it's nice to see that happening here. Now, I don't understand why this car keeps rolling off from time to time. It will not stop, trust me, it will move again and again and again. See? So, yeah, anyways, we have a nice looking yellow Miata with a dark gray interior, as you can tell. Equipped with rear lights. Of course, headlights, they are not opened. If the headlights were to be opened, I betcha that they will not produce, they will not include rear lights, I would say. I think they would just focus on the headlights and call it a day as usual. So yeah, I guess let's just take a look at the detail. I do not understand why it keeps trying to roll off, so yeah, I'll check that later. So here's the car, nice looking one right here. Sort of from the side, on the back we see some black colored rims, 5-spoke rims, with a chrome silver like lining all over the rims, which are nice. Plastic tires as usual. You have a nice looking design on the side right here, which is nice, black, bit of some gray, and yeah, that's it. You have the Hot Wheels logo, MX-5 right there, number 26 I think, right there. Pretty cool. You have some side mirrors which are metal, and then moving towards the front, yeah, no license plate at the place that you should put the license plate. Now there isn't. You have like an intake in the middle. You have the front bumper, which is nice. Blinker indicators or whatever on the front. Closed headlights as usual. and quite a massive front hood as well. So slightly tinted windshield, sort of like a dark gray interior, left-hand drive. So yeah, we've seen many JDM cars with left-hand drive nowadays, huh? Interesting. We have a roll cage at the back here as well. Cannot forget about that. 2 seats right there. One for the driver, one for the passenger. It's cool here. Yeah, pretty much the same thing. Nothing much of a difference. You have this tiny little rear lip or ducktail, I would say. And then you do have the rear light details, which looks awesome. Hot Wheels logo right there. Sorry, Hot Wheels and the license plate. And then you have the massive rear bumper, and also single exhaust tip on the right side right there, colored in black. So let's see, Mazda MX-5 Miata, made in Malaysia, 2018 Mattel. So it's one of the cars that just does not want to stay on the turntable for that long. So yeah, just need to fix it all the time. I don't understand what's the problem with this car. So nice small little compact car, I would say. Yeah, love the details. Yellow color, blacked out rims with the rear lights right there, then with the exposed interior, which of course there is not much detail, no dashboard details or anything, not at all, but then still pretty nice car to see right here. It doesn't want to stay on the turntable. Oh my god. So there it goes again. So yeah, equipped with rear lights, even a license plate, which is good, at the back. Yeah, overall it's quite a nice detailed looking car, and I really do like it, but sadly I do not like the fact that it keeps rolling off my turntable. But yeah, there you go. That's my review for today's MX-5, and we shall end the video before this car falls off my review table or something like that. But yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See more videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.